Hey guys, Glenn Murray. Welcome to Affiliate Profit Pages University and my YouTube channel. Now, if you're in the university, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the tools we're going to talk about today. If you're on my YouTube channel and you have not joined my school group, I'll put a link below to the school group and where all my courses and all this stuff is. And if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it really helps my channel grow. All right, so what we're going to talk about is giving away a free PDF. Now, I like to give away a free tool or something in exchange for an email. That's how I build my list. And what I found the best, most effective thing to give away is a how-to guide. But the great thing is it has affiliate links in it. So my go-to guide that I give away is, and don't worry, you're going to be able to get your own. You can get the exact one I use. It has affiliate links in it, and it generates anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 a month just on the recurring affiliate products in it. Now, it also leads to other high ticket products, which I make other money on. So basically, it's kind of the jumping off point for all of my subscribers on my list. They get it, they get the guide. If they go through it, they build a system out like mine, then I'm going to make recurring income on their system. So basically that's it. So let's jump into exactly how does it work? Why does it work? Well, it works because you're building trust from the get-go. So the very first thing you are doing, you're saying, give me your email and I'm going to give you something valuable. Now, a lot of people give away a beginner's guide that is basically really entry level. It doesn't have any sort of mechanics to it. It just gives a broad description of it, which you can find pretty much anywhere. It just to do affiliate marketing, pick a topic, find a niche, go find a product, build content around that, right? Well, that's not really giving me the actual mechanics of doing it. Where I like something where I get it and it's like, go do this, and it shows you step by step how to do it. I like those, or a checklist is really good like this. So that's why I give the guide that I give away. But it doesn't give so much away that you're not able to sell them into the intermediate. So it's still a beginner. It's basically, you look at it this way, it's the basics. Learn the basics. And once you learn the basics, now you have a system. Now we're going to put you into training that's actually going to teach you how to scale that business up. And if you tried to do that in a giveaway guide or a simple PDF, something like that, people would just get confused and get lost and be like, that's too much. So instead, you give them the basics, get them to set up a system, and then from there, you can sell them into an intermediate training or a high ticket one-on-one coaching. That being said, have you subscribed yet? All right, so I'm going to share my screen and I'll show you exactly where to get it and what to do. This is in the affiliate prop. This is the calendar. So you can see every Wednesday I go live in here, which you can ask me anything. I will do a training, whatever you're stuck on, I'll do a training. But here's the classroom. So this is what you get if you join the university. You get all these programs and funnels and stuff like that. But in the Cheetah method, which is my giveaway one, where you're going to go is either the download the latest version or rebranding the PDF. Oh, I need to put the link in there. So right here, rebrand it here. And oh, it's not in there. I'll fix that. So this is where you go to get the rebrander. Guys, I'm spilling the beans if you're on YouTube and you see this. So how does this work? It's really simple. Let me show you the actual PDF. So here's what they're actually going to get. So it's a free Instagram guide. This is how I have a video in there on how to grow my Instagram. And you guys get to use this. You can give this away. Now, what it does, it explains what high ticket is, but it really does a quick start. And this is what a lot of people give away. They give away this sort of quick start, like, oh, go get a landing page. There's an option. Here's the best email system. Here's my #1 recommended program that's earning me currently almost $30,000 a month. And then you want to get a free domain. You're going to need all this stuff if you're going to do actual affiliate marketing. I use CapCut, so that's a link for CapCut, and then make 7 to 60-second videos on Instagram and YouTube. And then I put in a YouTube video exactly how to build those, right? So it's like you've got all the stuff that you need to set up. So this is kind of a checklist, right? But then below that, I actually do it step by step, where you're shown how to actually set everything up. Your step-by-step guide. There's also the videos where I do this on the videos, so you get both. So you can do it on the PDF, you can do it on the thing, you can import the funnel, you can do the whole 9 yards. So this is the guide, and this is what you want to give away, because every one of these links in here, guys, is an affiliate link where you can get paid if they choose to use that tool for their business. So it basically sets everything up for them. So how do you put your affiliate links into it? Well, it would be, you could make a Google Doc, and then you could go get your affiliate links and then create and put them in all here, and you could hit download PDF and you could make your own. So if you didn't want to do it in the Make Money Online, although this applies to almost any business, because any business online is going to need a landing page to collect an email, and you're going to need an autoresponder to email them. And you're going to need a domain, and you're going to need a domain email. So this applies to every single business online. Now, this is the easy viral PDF brander. I just bought this. It's out of the box solution. And what you do is you basically add your affiliate links in here. So for this one, it's got a click here to join. So you would go to Warrior Plus. You would apply to be Cheetah, just write in Cheetah 1, and then you'd be able to promote Cheetah method. So this is how you make money. And then you would put your link there. You would do it without, see, it says import and remove this from the front of it. So you would put your link like that in there. All right. ClickFunnels Classic, you go to, when you have your ClickFunnels account on the right, it'll be your account and say affiliates. You go there and you can get your number. So all you need is the number in there. So for that one, it's just, for me, it's 221651. System.io, they have a very long affiliate number. That's another funnel builder. Aweber, it's just your affiliate link. So Aweber is very interesting because you have your account on Aweber, but there's also a Aweber Associate. So you have to make sure you join that program. You get that link. Namecheap, again, is a number. I think Namecheap might have changed to share a sale. So I do have to check that is still valid. If it's not, then I will change out to the new platform if they've moved, because I thought I saw an email saying they've moved from share a sale over. I would assume that their old share a sale links still work, and I'll double check that. Traffic Blade is one of my favorite places to get traffic from. So that would be, they give you a link with your name in it. Udemy, same thing. It's just a number. If you're in Legendary Marketer, it's a number. If you're on ClickBank, it's the username on ClickBank. If you're on Clico, again, it's a number. And AI Cash Machines will be, some people, it's their name and a number, and other people just have a number because there's a lot of people. So once you've added, and remember, you guys, you can click here to access all these programs to get your affiliate links. So once you have that, you just hit rebrand it, and it downloads it to your desktop. So now I have the rebranded version, and every single one of these is now my affiliate link in here. So anytime someone comes in here, I did not put CapCut, this one right here, as an affiliate program, because CapCut's not that easy to join as an affiliate. You need quite a big social following. So that's one that you're not going to be able to get an affiliate link, an affiliate payment for. That being said, I haven't made a dime from CapCut, but everything else is done in there. So this is the Namecheap link. This is your AI Cash Machines link. This is the Aweber link. This is the system. This is ClickFunnels. So all these are your affiliate links. You branded it. I don't do an affiliate program for Affiliate Profit Pages University. I haven't set that up yet. I may in the future, or I may not. I'm not sure. We're a small group. I'm trying to build this very strategically, so I don't want just to get a ton of people in there that come in and then want to get out right away. But as it grows, it gets to a big enough thing, then I might turn it into an affiliate program. And the rest of it, like I said, it's all these are your affiliate links. So stop share. All right. So basically, that's how easy it is to set up the PDF. So it's basically just clicking a link, joining the affiliate program that's there, and adding it to that thing. Now you want to go give that PDF away to as many people as possible. Now, if you go over to my Instagram account, which is in the guide, you will see at the end of it, I always say, comment learn, comment guide, whatever it is, or you don't even have to be talking. You don't even have to show your face. Just say comment something and I'll send you my free guide. That's what I send people. It's always in the first email. And then I send it multiple times in an email. I'll write a broadcast email and I'll say, hey, I don't know if you've seen it yet or you're using it yet, but here's my free guide. Make sure you follow it. And that's another way you can do it. Basically, that's how simple it is. Now, what else do you get in the affiliate profit pages? So this is still being fleshed out. This program's going to change slightly. That's why I haven't done the AICM fast track to 20K. They're in the process of changing some stuff. So I want to make sure I have an up-to-date version before I release that. This is where all the trainings are. All my weekly trainings are in here. This is a free funnel for you to use. This works very, very well. Again, this is another one that you can give away. It's very simple. You can take it. It's yours to use. You can do whatever you want. You can put your own affiliate links in it. This is online marketing resources. This is another simple get paid with Glenn, another funnel you can use that you can make your own cheated method. Of course, you can promote. This is a very cool program, and you can promote this too through Warrior Plus. This is just basically showing you how to do a really, really basic affiliate marketing, basically just using it. You still need a domain, but it's just showing you how to use Aweber and even build landing pages in Aweber if you don't want to pay for a landing page builder. And then, of course, AI cash machines that go here, and you would just get access here and you would join it there. And that's what you have in there. When I roll out new programs, I will add new courses here. And like I said, you always have my new trainings go on here. And you can just stay on YouTube and watch them there, but you don't really get to access and ask me to put stuff into here for you, and you don't get access to these programs. So if you want to go join me here, and you can cancel your subscription anytime, not a big deal. Come in here, do the training, spend a couple months with us, get your system going, and then if you don't need us anymore, then bugger off and do your own thing. All right, let me come back here. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you want to get into the university, it's no problem. I'll put the link below. And I will see you on the next one. If you're in the university and something wasn't clear on the rebrander, or you're having problems with it, just message me. We can jump on a Zoom together, and we'll make sure that you set up everything correctly and get your funnel working for you. All right, guys, that's it. I will see you on the next one. Cheers.